Okay, so today's question is from Marty354 on Instagram stories, and he asked me how much money was I making on the first 3 months on Amazon merch. So thank you for tuning in to Starting Up, the channel all about sharing tips for selling online, videos, answering your questions like this every day, and longer educational videos on Monday and Thursday. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. And my first 3 months of Merch by Amazon sales, I'm gonna actually log into Merch by Amazon now and get my 3 months data up. If you've been following this channel for a long time, you'll remember my first 3 months were not very strong at all. I'm gonna give you the exact figures now, but I had a really slow first 3 months of sales. My sales exploded in I'd say month 5 and month 6. So I do monthly sales income reports for Amazon merch, and I think it was month 5 where this exploded and things really start to pick up. But we're going to go to my earnings page now and I get you the first 3 months figures, and you can see how slow it can be when people actually start out on Merch by Amazon. So the earnings page is just loaded. So the first month on Amazon I made $6.16 profit. Second month, $9.24, and the third month was $27.94. So $6, $9, $27 were my first 3 months of earnings on Merch by Amazon. So low, you can see it was going up every month, but it was really low for those first 3 months. And a lot of people would see those numbers and think, that is so low, I'm giving up, like this is not worth it. But if I stayed with it for 2 more months, in month 5, my sales went up to $660, and then month 6, $946. So that just goes to show you it's always worth consistency and like consistent effort with anything you're trying. You're probably not going to see success with anything you do really immediately, really early on. And if you let that get you down, you're never going to succeed in anything. That's what I think anyway. You know, if you give up too early, you're never going to see success. And this is a perfect example of it. The first 3 months sucked, you know, from all the time I was putting in, I wasn't getting any results. $27 a month, you know, I could make that in an hour and a half at work, you know, here. So it's really demotivating if money is the only thing sort of driving you at the start. But if you stick with anything, then month 5 and month 6, if I'd stopped in month 4, I never would have had those 2 really good months. And things have actually dropped for me now, you know, month 7 has been a drop down to like $200. But I'm going to stick with it and keep trying to learn from what's going wrong and what's going right, and keep trying to improve on what I've done in the past. You know, and that continual sustained effort is how you see success in anything. So like I said, a slow 3 months for the first 3 months, but don't let that put you off. If you're beating me in those first 3 months, great. Hopefully you go on to see more success than me. If you're doing less than me in those first 3 months, I mean, sorry, but you may see more success in the future if you learn. If you keep learning, keep experimenting, hopefully you'll see even more success than I saw. So I hope that gives you an honest insight into how good or bad Amazon merch can go just by the first 3 months. But don't let the short-term disappointment distract you and make you lose out on long-term success. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you're answering, feel free to message me in the comment box below on startingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips of selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and also like and share this video. See ya.